You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American basketball player. If you want to learn more names from the NBA that can be a bit confusing and often mispronounced, stay tuned, I've got many more for you at the end of this one. Oklahoma City Thunder at the moment. Jalen. It's a bit like Jaden, you know the name Jaden? Well, similar. I mean, with an L. Jalen Williams, of course. Jalen Williams. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.